Hi all, I am Gunjan Gupta, your instructor. So today we will cover Java threads. So let's get started. Java thread, okay. Threads allow a program to operate more efficiently by doing multiple things at the same time. Thread can be used to create complicated tasks in the background without interpreting the main program. So multiple tasks we can do at same time using thread. Okay, so some activity we can do in background only, the main program will not be disturbed. So let's see how to create thread. So there are two ways to create thread. One is by using run method. We are overriding the run method, so we'll use public class main extend thread. Okay, this is compulsory to do extend thread, and we will write our public void run method, and whatever we will give it will run that thing. Okay, now another way to implement is using interface runnable. We have to use, so we will implement runnable, and we will give whatever we will give in the run method, that will execute. Okay, so first thing is implement runnable or extend thread, and use the same method to override. Okay, public void run method. Okay, now running threads. If a class extend thread class, then thread can be run by creating an instance of a class and call a start method. So let's start. Okay, main method we have created, so main method is there. Now we have to, I have created this main object. Okay, and now I have to start this. So thread dot start. Okay, and I have given the code is outside of thread. Now code inside the thread we will write here public void run, and in this we will write our code. Okay, so let's try it. First outside code is run, and then it's gone inside the code and it. Okay, if the class implement runnable interface, thread can run by passing an instance of a class with thread object constructed and then calling a start method. So here in main method we have created the object. Now we are creating the thread object and keeping this main object into the thread. Okay, here we are using implement runnable. Okay, now we will do thread dot start, and then we will write outside, and whatever inside we will write it. You can try even it. So see, first outside method is used and then inside. But what we have to create here thread. Okay, and keep the object of main class in the thread, and we have to do thread dot start. Okay, so difference between extending and implementing a thread. The major difference is that when a class extends thread, you cannot extend any other class. Okay, but by implementing the runnable, it is possible to extend from another class. Okay, if you use extend keyword, okay, thread is extended, then another class we can't extend. But if you use implement runnable, then we can extend another class. Okay, now concurrency problem. Because thread run at the same time as other part of the program, there is no way to know in which order the code will run. When the threads and the main program reading and writing the same variable, then the value is unpredictable. The problem of the result is concurrency problem. Let's say, so main class we have extended thread. Okay, public static int amount 0 we have given, and we have created the object in the main method and thread dot start. Okay, now we use system dot out println amount, and we are incrementing by 1, and then we are checking, and in run also we are adding. Okay, so here first amount is 0, when thread is started amount is 0, 0 is printed. Now amount is 1. Okay, so 1 should be printed. but run will execute and now 2. So this is a concurrency problem. To avoid this problem, we have to prevent it. Okay, we have to check that it is alive or not. Let's check. Extend thread amount we have taken 0, main, and then thread dot start. Now while thread is alive, then we are doing waiting. Okay, now main amount is first amount is 0. Okay, here now thread dot start is alive. Yes, it is allowed. Now update the amount and print the value. The amount is now 1. The plus plus the amount is 2. Okay, so like this we will be printing it. So like this it is solved. If you have any question, please do comment. Okay, please subscribe my channel and like my video. Do share. Thank you. Bye bye.